start programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County, southwestern Hunt County, and southeastern Collin County until 3:30. A severe thunderstorm is located over Rockwall, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour along Interstate 30. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County, southeastern Collin County, and southwestern Hunt County until 3:30. A severe thunderstorm over Rockwall moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.